is back. The 5th annual Warbird Auto Show lands on Saturday, July 5th, and it's one of the most iconic events on the Space Coast, perfectly blending history, horsepower, and American pride.
Where else can you park next to jets and stroll past supercars, classics, and customs all in one place? Only here with us at the Warbird Museum.
We'll have multiple DJs and food trucks for you to enjoy, plus stick around for a picture-perfect golden hour.
Registration is now open, but space is limited. Tap the link in our bio to register now. Spectators are also welcome. Park your car, enter through the gift shop, grab a wristband, and enjoy the show.
So go tell your friends and family.
And celebrate Independence Day weekend with us at the Warbird Auto Show.
Sign up now and join us on July 5th.